So we have the ball joint. There's the center here, and this should just drop down, and this is a replacement ball joint. The original ones were riveted in there. So if you're working with an original piece you're breaking down, you're going to have to drill and grind the rivets out. We did this prior to it being powder coated. So what we're doing is replacing it with bolts, standard bolts, lock nut, and standard nut. I'm going to just drop those down through here. What's nice, it's a not an interference fit like when we were pressing the bushings, but it's a very tight fit, so it will find its true center.